In this video, I'm going to show you how to pick ClickBank products and which mistakes you should avoid. So what is ClickBank? It is an affiliate network, one of the oldest ones. The cool thing about ClickBank is that it specializes in digital products, not so much just digital marketing, but digital products in general. They are a top online retailer with 200 million customers. And ClickBank sells digital products worldwide created by entrepreneurs. So from advice from getting in shape to healthy cooking recipes and dating advice, ClickBank delivers digital lifestyle products to customers in over 190 countries. ClickBank offers a lot and a host of different products that you could actually choose to promote and sell. So this is ClickBank's website. If you haven't created your account yet, you should do that because it's really easy to sign up and it's free to start. So I would just log in to my ClickBank account. And this is ClickBank's dashboard where you can see all your weekly sales report and daily sales snapshot. If you go under Marketplace, on the left-hand side, you can see that there are tons of categories from which you can choose from. And under each category, there are a lot of different subcategories that you can choose from. So once you pick your category, how will you know which products sell? Well, there should be 3 things that you should be focusing on when you're in ClickBank and choosing your product. The first focus should be gravity or popularity of a product. The gravity performance statistic is an approximate or relative measure of how many affiliates have successfully promoted products from an account with a higher number, meaning more conversions. And I will show you in just a second how can you sort products in ClickBank by gravity. The second thing you should be focusing on is JV page or affiliate page. This is the page where you get your marketing materials or materials that you will use in your promotion. Every product should have one of those pages. If they don't, then you shouldn't be promoting those products. The more materials you find there, the better. All of that can help you and you can use it in your blog, your website, your YouTube videos, or any other platform that you choose to promote your products on. The final thing you should pay attention when choosing the offer is the sales page of that offer. You need to see how it looks. It must be convincing. Meaning it should convince you to buy it. If it doesn't, then don't promote it. There's no point in promoting something that you wouldn't buy yourself. The site should also have testimonials because that way it gives assurance that other people have tried it and it works. And there should be no other distractions or pop-ups. So let's go back to ClickBank and let's find some products where I can show you how these things work. If we go back to the marketplace and if I go under health and fitness category, and if I say, for example, diets and weight loss, the results and the products will be listed here. And you can see that the displaying results is 1 out of 10 products out of 229 products. So you can see there are a lot of products selling on ClickBank. And right here, you can sort the results by gravity. So if we click on gravity, you can see that this product, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, has a gravity of 467, which is a lot. That means the product is very popular and it sells well. But gravity also means you will have a lot of competition with this product. Other affiliates are using the site and other affiliates are promoting this product, and thus you will have to compete with others. As you can see here, the gravity, you will see also the initial stats for how much you will get when you sell the product. So I would suggest here to focus on products with gravity between 60 and 150. So if we scroll down, you will see, for example, this product, the smoothie diet, has the gravity 131. And Cinderella Solution, for example, has gravity of 68. The gravity is still good. The products are selling well, but the space here is not crowded with other affiliates. That means you will have less competition in this area, and when you decide to promote it, you would spend less on advertising. as I said, the second thing you should be focused on is the affiliate page. For example, this page, this product, Cinderella Solution, has the affiliate page. And if we click on this link right here, you will see here that they give you tons of resources. For example, you can get your advertising links right here. You can create your custom affiliate link. There are banners that you can use. Here are the few photos I have. They have a Facebook ad kit, but you will need to have a ClickFunnels for that in order to promote on Facebook. There are also email swipes that you can use if you are sending emails as well. They have 6 email swipes, and you can always tweak those emails, add sentences, add paragraphs to it to make it more of your own and add your own language to it in your own tone. There are also some ad copies that you can use here. So this JV site or affiliate resource site is pretty useful, and they have a lot of materials that you can use. Also, if we click on their site right here, right click on it, you can see their sales page. For now, this is the first sales page they have. So there's a title and there's a video. I don't know how long it is, but if we click on this button right here, preferred to read, click here, you can see the sales page is transparent. So they have a great title. They have before and after photos. They have testimonials as well. So it's pretty clean and pretty useful, and it seems pretty convincing. Once you decide which products you want to sell, always look on and always focus on these 3 factors. You can always compare those sites. For example, this first one that has the gravity over 400, you can see their sales page as well. It's a pretty similar one. So a title and a video, and there's also a pop-out because they want to create some kind of scarcity. But if you look at their affiliate page, they probably have a lot of resources as well. So they have top converted email swipes that you can use, Facebook ad resources, and so on. So if you're not familiar with ClickBank, it's pretty easy to use, and every product description will look the same. I mean, the statistics, so you will get your average commission, how much you will be getting per sale. And it's pretty easy to get your links right here. So you would just click on promote, and immediately your account nickname is already written right here, and you would just click on generate hop link. This is the link that you would copy and then paste it wherever you want it. So it can be either in Google Ads, Microsoft Advertising, Facebook, but we'll talk about advertising on those platforms more in the upcoming videos. One useful page that I would recommend is CB Engine, where you can find ClickBank products that sell well. And this site can really help you out when choosing the category or niche that you want to focus on. So, and this is a great site to find products that are completely new. So if you click on the left-hand side, you will see the filters that you can use. So there are new products, best gains, ClickBank products with top gravity, insider reviews, and so on. So if we click on new products, you will see the products that have launched recently. And when it comes to gravity, you will see a lot of those products have 0 gravity. But imagine if you're the first one to promote a new product or service, and you can be a top affiliate for that product. So don't back away or don't step away if you see that the gravity is 0. It can be that the product is just starting and it just launched, and you can always check that out, check their resources, and see if the product or service is good, and you can decide to promote it. The next thing I would mention are some of the mistakes to avoid when picking products. A lot of affiliates fall into a trap of choosing just one product in one category, and that is always a money-making category. Yes, people do want to get rich easily, but there are a lot of products online that are just bad, and it won't bring you any commission. There is a lot of competition in this area as well, and you as an affiliate won't be able to thrive in this area. You would have to spend a lot of money on marketing, and sometimes your commission wouldn't cover that. I'm not saying that you shouldn't be promoting this category. There are a lot of amazing products out there, but just be careful when picking products. Usually, get rich quickly is not possible, and it can't happen overnight. So choose wisely. The second mistake is that you're not following your passion. This connects with the previous tip. If you're not passionate about weight loss products, then don't be in this area. Affiliate marketing and promoting requires writing good sales copies and sales letters in emails. And if you have 0 interest in some of these topics, then it would be really hard for you to sell products. This is why you should focus on something that interests you. Then you can easily write your personal experience because you're familiar with the topic and people will easily relate to the story. The third mistake is that you shouldn't be selling something that you haven't tested or tried yourself. Something that you would never buy yourself would be really hard to pitch it to others. If you're not convinced, or if you have tried the product and you would give a bad review, then don't promote it. You can always use this to your advantage if you, for example, write a review of a product and then you compare it with some other product. So you would say, for example, hey, I tried this one. It's very bad, but I would recommend this one. Then this can work. So as a beginner, try to look for products that you can relate to.